Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Equinox, and today I'm going to show you how you'd fill your gas tank. So on the passenger side, you should see your gas cover. This is just a push button to open. So if you push that, it should open, and there's that little spring I was just pushing. Double check nothing's bent or broken or bent debris stuck in place here. And then double check you've got the right type of gas that you're adding. For this particular model, I'd probably use like 87 unleaded. But when you're ready from the pump or from your gas can, just unscrew and then stick it and fill as needed. Screw this back in when you're done. That click is letting you know this is on tight now. When you're done, just pop this closed again. That way it's secure so nothing else gets in here. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.